cafés, cobblestones, and centuries of history. Welcome to Quebec's stretch of the Trans-Canada Trail. And let me tell you, it's nothing like the rest of Canada's trail system. Most people imagine the Trans-Canada Trail as endless forests and wilderness. But in Quebec, it takes you right into the heart of French Canada. You're walking past 400-year-old stone walls, narrow cobblestone streets, and, of course, the world-famous Chateau Frontenac towering above Old Quebec City. This isn't just another trail. It's like stepping straight into Europe without ever leaving North America. And the coolest part? The history here isn't stuck in a museum. It's alive. The trail cuts past cafés where locals sip espresso, markets bursting with fresh bread and cheese, and streets filled with music and art. Even in Montreal, Canada's second-largest city, the trail weaves right through neighborhoods where cyclists, runners, and street performers all share the space. You feel the energy of the city while still being on the trail. But here's the twist. Quebec's section of the Trans-Canada Trail is massive. Over 5,000 kilometers long, it doesn't stay urban forever. Head out of the cities and you'll find yourself on trails like the Petit Train du Nord, and this is where the vibe completely changes. The Petit Train du Nord is a converted railway line running 230 kilometers through the Laurentians. Instead of cafés and cobblestones, you get quiet forests, rolling hills, and rivers cutting through the landscape. In the fall, the colors explode into bright reds and golds. In the winter, the whole trail transforms into a snowy playground for skiing and snowshoeing. Out here, it's just you, the crunch of gravel under your boots or bike tires, and maybe a deer or even a moose watching from the trees. And that's what makes Quebec's part of the trail so unique. One minute, you're grabbing a croissant in Old Montreal. The next, you're gliding through forests that feel a million miles away. History and wilderness side by side. That's Quebec on the Trans-Canada Trail. So if you want culture, food, history, and nature all in one section, this is the stretch you don't want to miss.